Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 6th. Market analysis. With the power on of Chinese and American leaders, market investors' concerns about global trade tensions have weakened, and their risk aversion has retreated. Yesterday, the spot gold market surged back, reaching the highest of $3,403.53 per ounce and the lowest of $3,339.58 per ounce, and finally closed at $3,352.60 per ounce. After the opening of the Asian trading day, the market rose slightly, reaching the highest of $3,375.60 per ounce in the day, and it is currently trading. Recently, the market focuses on the trade tariffs and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to geopolitical conflicts. At the same time, the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.55 to $33.76, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,376 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.86 to $33.96. If the afternoon market breaks 3,355 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.45 to $33.35. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1428 and 1.1458. And the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1458 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.148 to 1.1520. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1428 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1380 to 1.1330. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart, with a shock range of 1.3560 to 1.3590. If the market breaks 1.3590 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3620 to 1.3650. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3560 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3510 to 1.3470. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6482 to 0.6518. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 0.6518 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6550 to 0.6580. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6482 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6440 to 0.6410. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 143.36 to 143.99. If the market breaks 143.99 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.50 to 144.90. If the afternoon market breaks 143.36 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.80 to 142.30. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.20.